Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Highlander maintenance light. First, get into your vehicle and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, confirm that your multi-information display shows the odometer reading. If it's not visible, simply press the DISP button on your dashboard until the odometer appears. This is a crucial first step to access the reset menu. Now, let's access the reset menu. Turn your ignition completely off. Then, locate and press the trip reset button, usually near your odometer, and hold it down firmly. While still holding the button, turn your ignition back to the on position. Keep holding the trip reset button for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the display changing as the system prepares for the reset. As you continue to hold the trip reset button, the multi-information display will first show a series of zeros, like 000000. Shortly after, it will change to display the word resetting. Once you see resetting on the screen, you can release the trip reset button. This indicates that the system is performing the reset. Your maintenance light should now be off, confirming a successful reset. To finalize, start your Toyota Highlander's engine to confirm that the maintenance-required light is no longer illuminated. If for any reason the light remains on, simply repeat the entire process from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second attempt to ensure the reset takes effect. Also, for an effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing voice-controlled, self-emptying, pet-friendly vacuum, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.